Okay, here we are, switching animations from AC3D to Blender. As you know, animations are made of rotation or translation axis inside AC3D. We want to export the model so we can still have them inside Blender. So start by exporting your project as Wavefront OBJ. Now, let's start Blender, open a new project, and import it as Wavefront OBJ, of course. You will notice all our animation axes are there, both together with the model, named as rotation, or translation if the case, and Blender is seeing them as separated edges. Joint them all, in order to get just one single mesh. Then, apply a skin modifier to that mesh. The skin modifier will let you transform all the edges into single bones. Go to Edit mode. Then mark the root. So Blender will correctly see all the edges, and not just the first one. Then go to Object mode again, and press Create Armature. At this point, we have now a new armature, containing all our previous AC3D axes, converted in Blender's bones, and ready to be animated. Basically in one single click. You can see there each edge is now a bone. The original mesh can now be deleted. Now, we just have to reassign the various parts to their bones. The speed break in this example. Reanimate it and re-enter its data ref, as if it were a native project in Blender. Bones can be left inside a single armature, or separated inside a new one. I suggest to make as much armatures as bones we have, to get more versatility. To do this, select the bone you want to work on, then go to Edit mode, and select Separate Bones. A new armature is created, with the bone moved from the original one to a new one. At this point, we have to parent the speed break bone with the speed break mesh in the usual way. Select the mesh, select the bone, and select Parent, Bone. After that, animate it in the usual way. Go to In Pose mode, insert the initial keyframe. A rotation 1 in this case. Then insert the proper X-plane data ref, as well the initial and final X-plane values. Data ref. Initial value. Set it. Move to the final position in the timeline. Rotate the bone, the mesh is following. Set the final keyframe. Set the final explains value. Check it works. You can now do the same for all the others' bones. Thanks for watching and hope this helps.